I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, Wild Wednesday, August 12th, 2009. Getting this done a little late today. It's 4:30 p.m. Eastern. What a day, Bernanke. The stock market, the volatility. Oh, you Forex traders out there, I hope you dealt with it well. Look at this sell-off. We're getting into the close, too. Bottom line, dollar index, reversal. Absolutely. Look how we stopped. You do the Fibonacci from the highs. You want to do it perfectly. We can do it perfectly to the lows. Come on. And we stole right at the 38.2. But, baby, this is a reversal. I think we go back down. We're going to test probably 78.40, if not 78.20. 78.20 looks like to me. And when you take a look at the reversals we had across the board, baby, look at that outside candle. I don't like to sell off into the close. I definitely don't like that. But the bottom line is, took out the lows, took out the highs, closing above previous day high. Bullish. BOP. GDP coming out of Germany tonight. I think it's going to be better. Dollar yen with a monster doji. Held the channel line. Ugh. Unbelievable, this dollar yen. I really sometimes suck so bad in dollar yen. I don't know why I trade it. But dollar yen again, big level, this 95. BOP. I think you got to be long dollar yen tonight. Absolutely. Doji. Dollar yen probably be up and away all night. Any pullbacks? BOP. Get 30 pip pullback. I'm in. Sterling. Quarterly inflation report. What a disappointment. I thought there'd be a lot more action in it, but the fact that cable really sold off into it and then didn't go down, held the line at 64. We got a doji, people, unchanged, took out the highs, took out the lows, closing very poorly. Euro sterling closing very strong. Love that Euro sterling, baby. But as far as triple roll goes, again, you know, those of you that follow me know about triple roll. I'm not so sure. I am not so sure it's closing too weak. If they had closed them strong, I would have said absolutely. But now with cable selling off almost 50 pips into the close for the last hour and a half, I'm looking to buy it. So we're going to be getting long pretty much in Asia. I think Asia is going to be up. China, you know, while it was down big yesterday, might be up on the back of the U.S. Bernanke delivered, extending it till October. He knows things are going to suck on the horizon, so he wants the ammunition. Aussie dollar with a monster reversal. Hopefully, I'll tell you, that thing, you know, made my day. Listen, I traded terribly today, to be honest with you. Horrible. Shorted the bounce in the U.S. session, got smoked. Bought the pullback after Bernanke was getting crushed, did very well, and now giving back at the end of the day. But given the wild day today to be unchanged, I guess, I can't complain. I guess. But even so, this move in the Aussie dollar late in the day made a new high. I thought everything was going to close strong, and then they whacked the S&Ps late in the day. Still, 1,005. Boy, they just can't get anything going. Bond yields up. We take a look at gold and oil. Actually, let's take a look at that. I didn't show you that, did I? Take a look at the S&Ps. We didn't break through that level. Remember, I wanted to break through certain levels. We never took it out. Held the line. Futures were down big in Europe. It was looking very weak, but held the line. 980 to me is big. Even 975, like I said yesterday, big. But these futures look like they want to explode again. Retail sales coming out tomorrow. Cash for clunkers should help the headline. Futures might be up big. What if jobless claims? What if jobless claims are better? What if they're really better? You never know. So with the way the futures are, they sold off into the close. I don't think that was a very good close, but I got a feeling that these numbers are going to be gangbuster tomorrow. Gangbuster. And GDP out of Germany. Their numbers have been amazing. That number should be better. Now, we do have the inflation expectations out of Australia tonight. I believe that's at 9 o'clock. That, I think, is going to be more on the dovish side. So You want to watch yourself in Asia tonight. Although, I think that we're going to have dollar weakness tonight at some point. This, Stevens was pretty much very dovish about the growth rate of his country in Australia. So I could see this number, this inflation expectations be on the weak side. So maybe we get a little pullback in the Aussie. But the Aussie selling off 50 pips into the close. 40. Big sell-off there. So, again, look at gold now. Gold, to me, it's a doji. Took out the low, took out the high. Gold has now exhausted the overbought nature, and now it's become oversold, in my opinion. Channel trading, buy the pullback. Dollar index reversed. Looks like there's going to be follow-through. Got to get long. Now I'm bullish on gold. Just like that. Oil, I'm still bearish on. Inventories were way high today. And demand destruction, as I've been saying over and over, in my opinion. Demand destruction. So looking at this oil chart, I think oil has got a ways to go on the downside. I think gold is the one to be long. Oil I still don't like. So there's your charts there. Again, back to the Aussie dollar. Again, if I like gold, I should probably like, I don't like oil, but still, to me, there's more correlation between gold than oil over the long term. Yeah, there are times when oil definitely has an impact on the Canadian and the dollar, but in general, to me, gold and the dollar really has more of a long-term trading history, lockstep. So Aussie dollar to me looks good. Got to buy the pullback. New Zealand, got to buy the pullback. Monster hammers, monster. How about that dollar Canada? Oh my goodness, outside candle, took out the highs, took out the lows. Wow, trade balance much better. Business with China. Euro sterling grinding higher. I love it. I told you I love this Euro sterling. To the moon. Euro sterling breaking this whole downtrend. I tell you, we take out this mini downtrend here. We crack on through there. And then, as you know, we're talking about here. Yeah, we got other channel lines too. So we got multiple lines, multiple barriers to bust on through, but multiple profit target areas. Pull up here, pull back, go up here, pull back, right? Grind it up, baby. Let's take a look at our carry trades. Euro yen, monster. Look at that. Doji. Absolutely. I think we dojied out. Big reversal, took out the lows. Obviously, I don't like the fact of how much we went up and we pulled back, but I think you got to buy on pullback here. I think you got to get along. Stock market's probably going to be up. Big news, good news tomorrow. We might double bottom. You never know. We might pull down first. Maybe a little bit. Then we come back. But I would imagine, again, using your short-term charts, using your other indicators, look for that hammer on a pullback on the 15-minute, the hourly. I'll tell you, someone buying Bank of America shares after the close, that could be good for the futures. Bank of America up. Financial is going to be up on the probably gap up on tomorrow's open. That should be good for the carry trade maybe in Asia and the S&P futures. So Aussie yen, take a look at this Aussie yen. Maybe the inflation expectations, we get a chance to buy the pullback. BOP. Look at the loonie yen. Unbelievable reversal. Why could this happen yesterday? I was ready for this yesterday. Not today. So looking at loonie yen, looks pretty good to me. BOP, we get down to 87.50, even 87. Looking good. Looking real good. Believe it or not, the market's moving on this news. Market is moving on this news. So loonie yen looks good. And, we can go back to, sterling. Daily chart. We can even take a look at the hourly chart. I have a little time. 30 seconds. Nice pullback here. But we hold the line. You do your Fibonacci retracement. Cable holds this pullback. Oh, I'd say about this channel line right here. Remember, info@globalfxradio.com if you have any questions. Cable pulls back more at about 50. I want to be in. I think we took out the highs. We're going higher. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need in Forex that loves to make you money. Good luck tonight, people.